If you're new to federal government contracting and unsure where to start, you've come to the right place. Today we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your business ready to win government contracts. First, establish your business. Choose a business structure, like sole proprietorship, easy to set up but offers no liability connection. LLC, which provides liability protection and tax flexibility. Or S or C Corp, which are more complex structures suitable for larger businesses. Now register for a tax ID. Visit the IRS website to apply for an employer identification number, which is required for tax purposes. You can also consider a DBA. If your business name is niche, consider a more general DBA name to avoid negative connotations. Now you'll have to secure a physical address. You must have a physical address for your business. Virtual addresses, PO boxes, or UPS store addresses are not acceptable. Now go to SAM.gov and use the advanced search feature to find contract opportunities. Explore various industries and types of contracts available. Register for a unique entity identifier and eventually a cage code. This registration process may take a few days to weeks. Now you'll have to decide your business approach. Entrepreneur has broader opportunities and you can offer a range of products or services, while an expert has a specialized niche, which may have fewer opportunities but can focus on your area of expertise. Consider diversifying your offerings over time. Now you'll have to open a business bank account, which is necessary for receiving payments. Consider smaller banks or credit unions for personalized service. The government typically pays via direct deposit. Ensure your bank account is set up to handle these transactions. Use accounting software like QuickBooks and work with a tax professional to handle your finances and avoid tax issues. By default, registering with SAM.gov as a for-profit business will classify you as a small business, making you eligible for small business set-asides. Secure funding for contract execution through credit options, family, friends, or business loans. Look into various funding opportunities based on your credit situation. Regularly review and adapt your approach based on industry trends and opportunities. Join forums, attend webinars, and follow industry leaders. Seek out mentors and coaches to guide you through the contracting process and help you scale your business. Now here are some key tips and best practices. Understand the types of contracts and opportunities available before diving in. Make sure to do your research. Establish connections with other contractors and government agencies. Keep your documents, registrations, and financials in order to streamline the process and stay organized. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.